feel better too.
Yeah, fucking turn this pulling again. Hey, I think that other one got a fish too.
Hey dog.
Hey, we might maybe just run up the hill a couple miles, turn around. I don't know.
Hey dog.
Yeah.
Didn't better fish.
Hey, better not be no damn rock bass.
Ain't up yet though. There he's up, he's up, he's up. It's high.
I ain't confirming that.
He's up. Oh yeah, that's an eye.
Did it get her? Nope.
That's a wallaby.
Quality. Quality. $200 there. Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Say 14.
Can you say 14?
Good size for a fella. Yeah, look at how fat that fucker is. Fat with that thick. There you go.
Come on. I forgot to turn the damn camera on.
No, you did. You put it on.
Oh, did I put it on?
I thought you were hitting the zoom on it. You hit the button so many times.
Hold on. So the camera can see it.
Nice.